Hi, I'm Lisa from Handcrafted It from the Hollow. Today I'm going to talk to you about my herbal medicine kit. I have Arnica 30C, which is a homeopathic use for daily stress, emotional shock, and physical trauma. If you use it right away, bruises and swelling are reduced. Pure arnica is poisonous, so using a mild homeopathic version allows you to receive the benefits with much less risk. Do not use it without a doctor's approval if you're under 2 years of age, if you're pregnant, or nursing a child. If your wounds get worse or last more than 3 days, be sure to seek medical attention. I also have a tube of arnica homeopathic gel, which is great on bruises and strains. Apis mellifera 30C is for bee stings and hive-like reactions. I'm allergic to bees and I've spent many a trip to the ER after being stung. Since I started having Apis on hand, I've only been stung once and I was able to forego the emergency room. If you're having any trouble breathing after being stung, seek emergency medical help. Anaphylactic shock is life-threatening. Clove oil is great for toothaches. In fact, my dentist used it when I had my wisdom teeth taken out. And also a few drops of warm water help relieve the pain and vomiting. Do not take it during pregnancy, so it's not intended for morning sickness. And not all essential oils are made the same, so avoid taking them internally unless you are trained or you are under the supervision of a trained professional. Lavender oil not only smells lovely, but it's useful topically for scalds and burns. Dab a drop on a bite or sting and the pain goes away. If you have a headache, put 3 drops into warm or hot water and that pain goes away. Bach Rescue Remedy is to help you through any stressful situation, from bad news to a car accident, and enables you to cope and bring your body back into balance. I also keep a jar of mullein oil on hand for earaches. Put 2 to 3 drops in each ear, not just the ear that hurts, and it can also be used topically for swelling and irritations. German chamomile is probably the most well-known herb that is a nervine in the Western world. It can be used for all stress and anxiety issues, especially that lead to digestive issues. Tea made out of chamomile taken internally is an anti-inflammatory for the digestive system and the respiratory system, and it works topically the same way. Add chamomile tea to a bath water of an anxious child or one who is teething, and it'll promote a restful night's sleep. And to an adult who's been having a hard day at work, add the same bath will help tight muscles and relax the nerves. Inhaling steam from German chamomile helps eliminate mucus, and it helps with colds and hay fever. Peppermint is a potent carminative. What that means is it's an herb that helps suppress gas that is built up in your intestines. It also helps eliminate any gas that does show up. They also improves the absorption of nutrients, relieves spasms and pain. It helps with problems of the digestive system caused by stress. And the oils of peppermint calm the stomach, alleviating nausea and vomiting from fevers, and also helps painful menstrual cycles. Now, yarrow is an herb that is great for both promoting and stopping bleeding. It makes it an ideal menstrual remedy because it normalizes the blood flow. If you're out camping and you get a nosebleed or a cut and you can positively identify yarrow, you can use it to stop bleeding. Now, this yarrow I picked just this afternoon out in my yard, and you'll notice that it looks like several other types of herbs, so don't use it if you can't identify it positively. But since I can, I'll tell you a story. On May 5th of this year, I cut my calf and I was unable to get to medical attention right away. This is what the cut looked like when it happened. You can see it's pretty deep. We put yarrow on it and wrapped it up tight until the bleeding stopped. That is a Band-Aid. A few days later, it was fine. Today, the scar looks like this. Let me grab a picture of it because I can't get my leg all the way up here to where the screen is. See how much better that looks? I know about yarrow's benefits, and I was still impressed. Yarrow is also fantastic at fighting fever. Drink tea or add it to your bath water, and it'll cause copious sweating, allowing the toxins to flow out of your body, thereby shortening the time that you feel ill. I also carry a jar of self-heal ointment that you could use on cuts, sores, or aches and pains. Plantain out in the wild is excellent for stings and bites. It grows almost everywhere. Pick some leaves, squish them up and make them moist, put them on the bite, and it'll make the pain go away. You can also chew on plantain for infections in your gums or your teeth until you could get to a dentist. And fresh leaves work on allergic rashes, stop bleeding, soothes burns, and can help relieve shingles. I also have clean muslin, medical tape, bandages, scissors, tweezers, and ice packs. My medicine kit is a flowing thing. These are the basics, but other things come and go as I need them or find something new. I'd love to answer more questions about herbal medical kits or any other wellness issue you may have. These statements are for educational purposes only and have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. They're not intended to diagnose, treat, prevent, or cure any disease. Thank you for your time.